Hi everyone! Welcome to another series of our bariatric cooking classes. If you're craving a strawberry milkshake, I'm going to show you how you can make one with common ingredients that you can find at home, and it's going to be high protein, low sugar, low carb. Let me show you how it's done. I have my blender here. The first ingredient I'm going to add is 1 cup of milk, preferably a low fat or 2% milk to keep the fat content low. 1 cup of frozen strawberries. The frozen strawberries are going to give you a thicker consistency. 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt. This is a low-fat Greek yogurt. We also want to add 1 scoop of your preferred vanilla protein powder. We recommend a whey protein isolate and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're going to close the lid and we're going to blend it for a good 2 to 3 minutes. All right, so for serving, you can pour about 1/2 of this shake, and then the other 1/2 you can actually leave it in the refrigerator, and when you're ready to drink it, you can add it back to the blender, blend it a little bit, and it helps with getting that texture back to its original state.